If you're looking for a good budget earbuds for listening to music and then for audio monitoring, so here it is, the Philips SHE8100 without the microphone. This I bought for audio monitoring. Jump to the unboxing table. So here it is. If you wanna watch the red color one, which is called the SHE8105, which come with a microphone, yes, that is only different. Click the card button to watch it. In this video I'm going to focus on the SHE8100. This do not come with any microphone and it come with a absolutely beautiful sexy black color. Yes, again I'm looking for a earbuds which have some good bass. At the same time I want to use for audio monitoring. I want a little bit like natural tone mic earbuds. Let's hope so. I'm gonna get it. So here we go. Okay, open it with love. No love, do not open it. Yeah, there's this instruction for putting the earbuds. Okay, let me take out like beautifully. I mean, this is beautiful. I mean, this is like built from the aluminium. I mean it's gonna be robust. This is beautiful, slim, to be honest with you. This is absolutely beautiful. Literally I'm saying beautiful. When I say beautiful, then I just mean beautiful. Look at it. Look at the beauty of it.